today I will flog away all this embarrassment from my life. How can your teacher tell me that you, my son, don't understand mathematics with all this hair on your face? Mommy, please. This will not be care.
How they play?
This one, now you go feed one. Kneel down there. Okay.
He shot you.
I will ask you 5 questions.
Okay.
You miss more than one. You go get the correction from heaven. 1.
Child.
How many fingers have I raised this hair?
Are you playing?
5.
Continue.
Ojebi, you for me, Sam. Times 2 is what? 10.
Correct.
Oh my God.
Before uncle.
Okay. Times that one by 2 again.
Jesus is Lord.
20.
Wash it.
Abulori Brugu ni teacher ini. Okay. Add this your last answer to the first answer you give me. Now waiting. 25. Oh yeah, stand up, stand up.
I'm a Ruby Costa.
Anybody when say you no know or you no go know mathematics, your life na go miss road for life. Amen. Oh yeah, last question. You see all the answers wey you don't give me from the first one to this last one. Okay, recite them accordingly. 5, 10, 20, 25. Amen. Bayi. My son, that number wey you just recite finish na the date wey Wahala with Grace skit will begin last. Make we rock am. 5, 10, 20, 25.